Brian's got a good grip. Look at that. So Andy is the muscle. Mikey is the director of operations. And Brian is the passenger. Ah! Crazy driver.
Drive!
Yeah, but who's kicking? Brian, you need to kick. Oh, yeah. There you go.
I'll start using my...
Now we're going somewhere.
Okay. Stop.
And they made it to the other shore. Nice work, guys.
Get on.